Good morning, class ninth. Today this lecture was not actually planned. So I am just giving you an overview of the structure of a cell. Cell is basically a living entity which is made up of the simplest structure I can discuss with you. And later on in our next discussions, I'll discuss about the structures of cell in detail. So, cell is basically a living entity which is made up of these many important structures. First of all, cell is a structure which is enclosed by cell membrane. Cell membrane is actually the outermost covering of the cell or its living contents. Some of the living contents which are present inside the cell are cytoplasm, nucleus, and cell organelle. Let's discuss about them all. Cytoplasm is actually a fluid like structure or jelly like structure which is present inside the cell membrane. It is enclosed by the cell membrane and it is mostly made up of water and different sort of minerals and salts. Okay, so cytoplasm is a jelly like substance which is present inside the cell membrane and it is made up of water and different minerals. Other than that, inside the cytoplasm, you can see this is complete is known as cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm, some tiny structures are present like this. These tiny structures are called cell organelles. Okay, these tiny structures are called cell organelles, or these are the tiny organs. Organelle means a tiny organ which is present inside the cell. Okay, we have discussed about the size of the cell already, and now you can think about that. If the cell is so small, then the structures which are present inside are also much smaller than the cell. Okay, so these are the cell organelles. We will discuss about different cell organelles in detail in our next lecture. And there is one more structure present inside the cytoplasm which is known as nucleus. This structure you can see. Nucleus is actually the controlling center of the cell, and it actually guides different cell organelles to produce or to do their function. Okay, when we will discuss about these cell organelles, then I'll tell you that each and every cell organelle performs different functions. There is a division of labor inside the cell. Division of labor means each and every cell organelle is responsible to perform different kinds of functions. So we will discuss about I'll discuss with you in detail once we will study the different structures of the cell. And one more term I want to clear here, that is a protoplasm. Somebody from your class ninth, maybe girls or boys, asked me about this term, what is protoplasm. So basically protoplasm protoplasm is a structure or is a fluid or a living structure which it is basically composed of nucleus and cytoplasm. Okay, in combination means when we combine nucleus and all the cellular components present inside the cytoplasm, basically cytoplasm, nucleus, and different cell organelles, these form protoplasm. This term is not being used now. It means it is totally absolute now. In previous time we used to use this protoplasm term. So today what we have learned, let's revise it again. Cell is basically a structure which is composed of cytoplasm and nucleus. Cytoplasm is a fluid present and nucleus is the controlling center. This cytoplasm and nucleus forms protoplasm, and that protoplasm is surrounded by a membrane. This membrane is known as cell membrane. Some more tiny structures are present inside the cytoplasm, and these tiny structures are called cell organelles. Now your homework is to draw the same diagram in your rough copy and show me during the session. Once I'm online in your class, you need to show me the same diagram, and if you have any query you can ask me. Thank you, class.